So this one here, you see? What do you think? What they're doing? So it's totally normal. These are the zebra sharks, and it's the mating behavior. So during the breeding time, or we can say that's how they mate. The back one, the one biting, it's a male, and the other one, it's a female. So it's a mating behavior. There's nothing wrong with these sharks. And that's the biggest fish we have in this tank. The black one resting at the top of the tunnel, this one is the biggest fish. It's called saltfish, and that saltfish is not a shark, it's one of the rare again. The biggest fish here. We gave her name Shiana. She's from Australia, she's almost 31 years old. But still single. One of the happiest fish we have here in the tank. If you look at her face from the tunnel, closely it looks like a shark, they got the body of a shark. But it's not, it's one of the rare, that one. There are 7 different types of ray in the world, so guitar fish is one of them. So we got approximately 20,000 fish, 85 species only in this meat. And all those rocks and planets you are seeing here, those are not real. Those are artificial, made from fibers, because that's the zebra shark. So it's artificial, made from fibers, because those corals, they need sunlight. We don't have sunlight here. All the rocks, this whole tank is on the surface. Those are called golden tribulate. They always do that, they always follow the fish so that they can eat. But they don't have that barb, because we take the barb off. Once we do that, it takes approximately 1 year to grow them back. That's a sand tiger shark, the black one over there. These are very interesting sharks. It's because these sharks, they got the egg, but the egg will hatch inside their body and the baby will come out live, fully functioning. So it's a compound, you can have those baby sharks. Those are really cute. So spotted eagle, right?
कैसे गए ऊपर? नीचे गिरना नहीं।
The next day.
ज़्यादा धूप है ना? हाँ सीधा
जाते हो क्या?
हाँ We are finally leaving our hotel. किसी अटक गई थी ऐसा गाड़ी में। चलो भैया बाय बाय सी यू। सामान आ गया, इतना सारा सामान भरे हम लोगों ने। फाइनली हम वापस जा रहे हैं इंडिया। कैसा लग रहा है आपको? अच्छा लग रहा है। अभी तो आप रो रहे थे, आप बोले थे नहीं जाना। क्या बोल रहे हो आप? बुरा लग रहा है। नहीं जाना है आपको छोड़ के। इंशाल्लाह फिर वापस आएंगे, ठीक है? दुआ पढ़ लो।
Please hold on. The train is ready. Thank you. किसकी स्टोरी सुना रहे अब्बा? आधा और किसकी?
The next day.
ओला मंडल। हाँ लेके आ जाओ। क्या कर रहे हो?
वेट कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा।
ऐसा उधर सामान खरीदना तो नुकसान कर रहा हो।
अभी बताओ तो कैसा करते हैं हम? चिप्की के सेक्शन में काजू कतली रखने आया करते हैं।
और भाई भी है। वापस आके क्या कर रहे हो? ये पूरा प्रोडक्ट अंदर घुसाना है। 2000 वाला देख के अंदर छुपा ला, अंदर छुपा दिया। बहुत जल्दी किसी को लगेगा इसके साथ ये बाय वन गेट वन है।